What's up, how you doing? When I was in the first grade, there was railroad tracks near my school, about a half mile away. And every day after school, me and two of my friends, we'd go to the railroad tracks and hang out for about an hour or so before we went home. And on Saturdays, once the cartoons were done, afternoon, we'd go there and hang out. So I grew up fascinated with trains, and especially railroad tracks. Walking up and down the railroad tracks miles and miles was something I really like to do, and to this day I still enjoy doing that. Big fan of that. So first, second, and third grade I went to this school, and every single day for the most part we ended up going to the railroad tracks. In those days you didn't have parents shadowing you around, so you actually had a childhood that you could enjoy. Nowadays it's a little bit different. If they see a couple of kids 6, 7 years old roaming around, they probably call the cops. So yeah, my daughter's 8 years old. I was 6 years old and I hang around the railroad tracks by myself. Can't do that anymore. Anyway, that's what happened. How you doing? I spent my whole life working on the railroad.